In this video we take an honest and realistic look at Yelp to understand how useful it really is for finding and judging local businesses. Yelp is one of the most popular review platforms, allowing users to post ratings, photos, and detailed experiences about restaurants, services, and stores, which can be helpful when you're trying something new or visiting an unfamiliar area. Its large volume of reviews makes it easy to spot general trends, especially when multiple users mention the same positives or negatives. However, Yelp's review filtering system has long been a point of debate, as some legitimate reviews may not always appear publicly, which can affect how a business is perceived. There are also concerns about biased or emotional reviews, since individual experiences can vary widely. For users, Yelp works best when reviews are read carefully, focusing on patterns rather than extreme opinions. It's a useful discovery tool, but not a final authority, and smart decisions usually come from cross-checking with other sources and personal judgment. Subscribe for more honest platform reviews that help you decide smarter every time.